So guys, lot of people asking one question. So why we can join in for Facebook groups through Facebook page? What is the benefit that? What is the benefit that? So sir, I'm not able to join the group. Will be using page option. So all pages not include for the particular groups. So all groups will not link with the particular page option. So when I'm searching for any groups here, as you I'm searching in the Facebook option. In this I'm searching for groups. Here when you're joining for new groups time, when joining for new groups, not for the old groups, you can joining for new groups per year. Just I'm joining here. Is asking for two things. You can joining with the profile or with the page. So profile everyone know where you can show the groups. Page wise, the pages will be adding for groups will be group option. The benefit is called what are the continue sharing for pages. Instantly you can sharing for Facebook group also, but one group will be possible. How to share? In this call, business dot, which one? Business dot facebook.com. Just we can go for it. I'm open for my page. Just what is my page URL? Only before changing for business dot. Here we'll be using for double dot HTTP. Will be using here. Here I'm using for business dot facebook.com/username. Here when I'm posting this option, I'm posting for page and groups also. So that reason we can joining for Facebook groups with using for Facebook page option. So automatic share option not required. So here what we do, any post will be done in the page. So every post we can sharing by the manual option. Why? We can using for go to the particular post option. We can using for share option is there. That is not required. When I'm sharing for any Facebook page time, we can sharing for Facebook page and group option. Facebook page and group option. That is called we can joining for Facebook groups using for Facebook page option. So now I'm joining. So immediately they can't approve. They approved by the admin based on the we can posting for in this option. So here I'm using for Digital Rakesh. So where it is I'm selecting here, click for join group. So right now I'm joined this group. When approved, each group will be showing to where the particular Facebook page option. The main purpose to share content at a time, Facebook page and groups option. So here, these groups we are adding for through Facebook page. And one more important point I tell you that some groups not linked with the page, only linked with the profile option. That page, that group will be leave it. Which group will be supporting for page, you can join with the page option. The benefit is called to share content along with the page and group option. I'll show one example. Here I'm selecting for group and page. Select your post option. Image we can share. We can share it for a particular option. Will be link will be shared every option. But video is not possible. Only we can share it for particular website link and a particular image option. So in this, I am selecting for here. What are the posts you done here? In this, copy. Select your hashtag option. Don't further hashtags. Now it I'm posting for Facebook page and groups. In this group will be adding here. After adding group also I'll show it is sharing or not. Now it is sharing for Facebook page and group option. Now it is going to group. Which group I'm sharing here. Selecting that particular group option. In this group I'm sharing. Just to open this group. Guys, what are the things you have to share here? Same will be showing for group also. So this is a purpose. People join the group for using Facebook page. Only admin can do this particular option. So this is a way we have to link with the Facebook page in group to sharing the content. There is a reason the group will be joining through page option. So there is a benefit is given by the business.facebook.com/ only username will be changed. Here I'm using for Digital Rakesh. You can using for your username on the particular Facebook page option. If any further doubts, please comment me and like, share and comment my video if you like, and please subscribe channel any newcomers.